And we're back.
Another episode of Road to Code.
Episode 2.
Season
2. Season 2, episode 2, huh? Cool. Yeah, I am Victor. I am one of the hosts to the Road to Code.
And I'm John, the other co-host.
And I'm Gerard, the other co-host.
That's right. The other co-host. Cool. Jonathan, let's kick off this episode with some merch.
All right. Here we are on the Road to Code website. All you have to do is click on the official merch. And I'm going to open this tab. And today we have...
Oh, we have a hoodie now?
New one right here.
What?
With the Road to Code logo on the back.
That is super cool.
Classic.
How many colors do we have?
If you click on it, we have a couple different colors. There's this charcoal, and then like a gray,
and then like a navy blue,
and a navy blue.
Oh man,
that!
Look at that. That is very cool.
Yeah,
I like it. So we got new merch.
Check that out.
Right.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Very cool. All right. We also have a new way for people to provide us with some tips and donations if they like our content, right, Jonathan?
Yeah.
You can buy us a cup of coffee.
You could buy me.
You don't have to buy merch. You could just buy us a cup of coffee. If you appreciate our videos here, you wanna talk about how you get to that one, Jonathan?
Yeah. Let me share my screen again. So it's buymeacoffee.com/theroadtocode right up here. And just has a link to our YouTube channel. And you can buy us a cup of coffee.
Or buy us 3, 1 for each. That'd be kind of nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. I like it. So yeah, I mean, if you guys like our content and you just want to buy us a cup of coffee, that we would greatly appreciate it. Jonathan, can I plug something in?
Do it.
All right. Let me share my screen. So there's this little website that I was working with during the pandemic. The name is thinkster.io. And I created some videos. These are educational videos if you want to learn about technology. And they have this section down here called .NET. You can go ahead and just click on that and just scroll down far enough to where you see my name, Victor Campos, and you click on that. And there are tons and tons of videos where I talk about creating a web API using ASP.NET and C#. And so there's several videos. I walk you through creating the project from scratch. We create authentication and authorization from scratch. We use the built-in encryption mechanism. We talk about all kind of good stuff. Essentially, this API is a real-world API that's modeled after the Medium website. And Thinkster, the folks over at Thinkster just called it Conduit as a clone. But yeah, it'd be really cool if you guys are interested in watching some of those videos. We do benefit monetarily off of this stuff, and we greatly appreciate your support.
Yeah.
So, Jonathan, what are we covering in this episode?
We are going into our Zignificant app and making it better by making a authentication and authorization page.
Wow. Both of them or just a piece of it?
A piece of it.
What?
we're gonna register. We'll put a register page.
I was gonna say that's a lot of work, man. All right, cool. We're gonna do the register page. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm so excited. Beej, what do you think about that?
Let's build a website.
I've yet to get to your guys' level.
All right. So yeah, Jonathan, let's just get right into it. Let's share your screen and open up the Zignificant solution. Okay.
Here we are.
So I think what we need to do, Jonathan, is this is fine that we have it here, but what we need to do is we need to open up Visual Studio Code as well so that we can modify the client app. Now, Gerard's probably wondering, it's like, we already have Visual Studio open. Why not just use Visual Studio to modify it, right? Visual Studio doesn't play very well with what do you call it? With the HTML and the JSX code that we need to modify. It's very clunky, isn't it, Jonathan?
Oh yeah.
Visual Studio Code is much better at it. They're both made by the same company. They're both made by Microsoft. But man, Visual Studio, great for C#, great for server code, but horrible for client-side code. So Jonathan, I think what we need to start with is we need to add a registration component, but we just need it to be a placeholder for now. So go ahead and go ahead and create a new file, and we'll call it registration.js or register.js. And let's just go ahead and create a component that will act as a placeholder for now. What did you just do?
It's a hack. Just kidding.
It's a hack. That was, you know what, Jonathan? I didn't even know about that. That is freaking cool. What was it? What is it, like a hotkey, like a template?
Yeah. It's one of the it's actually a plugin or extension.
That is freaking cool. Mind blown. Okay. I'm just like, my mind just went. What's the extension called? I mean, let's talk about what this extension does. I mean, we got a discussion topic here. What is it?
I think it's called
Is it ES7 plus React?
Yeah, that's it right there. That's it. This extension.
And so what does it do?
All you have to do is install that thing, obviously, and then it gives you like a hotkey, which is RFCE, and it imports React and kind of like sets up the
Can you do a Control A and just get rid of all this and do it again?
Okay.
You went pretty fast there. I was like, I had no idea what you were typing. Like, what is he doing? Okay, so what is the keys that you're using?
It's just RFCE.
And what does that stand for? A React function.
React function export.
All right.
And then tab, and then it does everything for you. So it basically just takes the name of the file that you have. So that way it names it. And then it starts your div for once you want to start whatever. And it export the same file and just imports React. So it makes it, easy.
Wow. I'm blown away, man. You just taught me something. Oh, the student has become the teacher. Okay. So let's just put placeholder in there so that when we navigate to this page, it's just going to display the word placeholder. So let's go ahead and save this. I'm blown away still. And we need to add a navigation path to or a route to this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there it is.
Right. I know. Just add it to the bottom right here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put register.
Yeah, register capital R, and it should import it automatically. Yeah, you see how it imported it from the top.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and save this. And let's go and fire up the application in Visual Studio.
There it is. Oh,
all right. So let's so it's not on the menu yet, but we should be able to do /register
up here. There it is.
The placeholder is there.
Whoa.
Very nice. So now what we want to do is we actually want to add it to the menu. So you can leave this running. Yeah. We just need to go to Visual Studio Code. And let's go add it to the menu. Oh, there you go.
Just got to scroll down a little bit.
You just had to scroll down more, Jonathan.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's right. It just it just wraps. Register.
Register. Okay.
There you go.
That's it.
Save that and let's see if it works on the navigation.
Up and running.
Yeah, you can leave that running. And let's go and let's create a registration page, Jonathan.
Okay.
Give us, I don't even know what you're going to do, but you're basically going to create a registration page that will allow a person to enter. Oh man, what do we want them to enter? Do we want them to enter just an email and a password? Keep it simple.
Yeah.
Keep it simple and stupid.
Yep.
We use the acronym KISS. Keep it simple and stupid. Yeah. Let's just go ahead and do that. Let's ask for an email, ask for a password and a password confirmation. And we want to be able to use, just go ahead and work on the layout. And then we'll come back and we'll put all the rules behind it using Formix.
Okay.
Let's do it. There you go. So this right here, essentially what we're doing is we got two entries. No, we got three entries. We got the email that we want the user to provide. We want them to provide a password. We're going to have to change that matches. We'll change it to something different. We'll leave it for now. That's okay for now. We'll go back and change it later. And then we need to confirm the password, right? And it's a string. It is required. And then it's just going to reference. So it's going to do a yup reference to password to make sure that they match. So it just does a comparison between the two. And so that'll take care of that. So let's go look at your initial values. So what do we need in here?
We need email.
All right. So that'll take care of that. We also need to do two things. We're using Formic and we're using Yup. And I don't think either one of those are installed in this. Yeah, we need to install Yup. Yeah, go ahead and install Yup.
Yep.
Yep. And then we also need to install Formic. Cool. Let's make sure that in the files, what is it called? Package.json. Make sure that it's in there. Is Yup in there? Formic and Yup. Cool. Yeah, that works. So this is good. Let's go ahead and save this file and close it.
All right. Go.
And then go to your register. Oh, you need to save your app.js. Okay. And then here, so your data initial values and your data initial, your validation schema, that's in there. You got your on submit. Cool. So this gives us, remember the curly braces, it indicates that this is JavaScript that needs to be executed. So it needs to be evaluated. So in here, we're using the state. So we need to go and change our state to be the email password and confirm password. Okay, let's go look at, see what else we got to add. Yeah, go ahead and put the semicolon at the end of line 22. Okay, and so on line 21, we start with the form. What does that look like? HTML is weird, huh, Beej?
Crazy.
And make sure that you're indenting stuff correctly. So grab 23 to 25 indented, and then indent 24. There you go. Yeah, it does. The indentation is more for the human. The browser doesn't care. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to replace that for email. Email. Cool. Oh, indented. Yeah. And so, yeah, let's change the name.
Mile.
And you can indent 28 and 29. Whoa, caps lock. Caps lock. It's going to be lowercase because we need the name of the field. Yeah. So let's go and give this a test run really quick. Let's go ahead and save this.
Oh,
Yeah, you may have to open up your debug tools and do a empty cache and reload. All right. Console log. Oh, you're using curly
Yes.
braces. It's open close parenthesis.
for
For the console log, you're using curly braces, but it's
Oh.
actually parentheses. Did the pizza give you?
Like hiccups.
The hiccups? Go ahead and save this and let's give it a try a run.
give it a whirl.
So
Whirl.
Formic, it's not liking something about Formic. Expected
Curly brace
a curly brace.
on 30.
Let's see, scroll up a little bit. Can we go look at the return? Is there supposed to? Oh, wait a second. Collapse that return on line 20. Yeah, that's fine. Scroll up a little bit. Can we go look at the other one between the submit and the function? I think there's something wrong there. Scroll up to the submit and the function. So go ahead and collapse 52 or 53.
Is there curly brace missing somewhere? Maybe.
Is there? Let's see. Go back to the other one.
This one's not matching up. Does it need a?
No, what it's going to need. No, it doesn't need that. Can you scroll down a little bit? Can you get rid of that blank line? Scroll up a little bit more. Okay, let's go all the way to the top. Okay, and let's collapse line 4. And then collapse line 8, or yeah, the 9. So Formic. So you got your open close there. Go ahead and let's remove the whole Formic form right now. Go ahead and remove it. Collapse it and remove both all the way through. Yep. Control X. And then save it. Okay, so it's not complaining here. Go ahead and do a Control Z. And let's get rid of collapse line 14. And let's get rid of 13 through 35 and highlight that in Control X. Say, okay, so it's not complaining here. So go ahead and paste it back in there, Control Z. Let's collapse the function. Okay, no, expand it again. Something's up with this return. This return is the one that's kind of acting up.
Was there supposed to be a space right there? Watch, go up. Up. Was the errors touched?
Ours touched? No.
There's no space between the other one.
No,
Oh, it
no,
doesn't matter?
the space doesn't matter in that case. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove line 20 through 34. Let's see if maybe something's wrong there. Okay.
No.
Give me a second here. Let me look at it. Okay, go ahead and Control Z, and let's grab 13 through 35. Grab all that. And let's just Control X. And let's go ahead and save this. And let's go put this in like a scratch.txt file. Like, yeah, a notepad, open up notepad. And let's just go ahead and put it in there. And we're going to bring in the outside blocks little by little.
Okay. So we're going to start with the function.
Can I see the notepad?
Oh, yeah.
So let's start with the open close curly braces. Okay, good. So this is okay. So let's go put the function in there. This is where it's complaining.
Oh, there's missing. I think this is missing one right here. Oops. No. Does it go after?
No. So let's go ahead and get rid of the function again. And let's type in function. Let's type it in as you have it in the notepad.
Use state and then parenthesis.
Parenthesis.
Do one line at a time.
Oh, it's not complaining now, huh?
No.
Okay.
Then we're going to the return. And then it was just our.
Just go ahead and put a placeholder. Just put well, go ahead and do your formic. Is it formic or is it form?
Just a regular form.
Yeah. Is it capital F or lowercase?
It has it as capital.
Okay. Is it complaining?
No.
Okay. Interesting. No longer complaining, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it's not complaining down below.
Field name.
Still working, huh? Interesting. I wonder what was wrong.
Start closing. Okay.
So it's still working?
Still working.
Interesting. I wonder what it was.
That's it.
All right. And that all works?
Let's see.
What was the error?
Not defined.
Okay, so we need to go look at Data is not defined. Oh, you know why? Because I think we need to import the
Make.
use state. But if you go look at the other one, remember how we have to import it using the curly braces?
This.
No, line 5, use state.
Oh,
Remember how we did it like that? So I think if you just grab the curly braces and the content inside of it, yeah, and then you can go ahead and paste it. And when you paste it, remove the use effect. You need to paste it. You need to paste it after React.
oh,
So comma, yeah. And get rid of line 2. And then you can get rid of use effect. Yeah. Go ahead and save that. And let's go see what else is missing. So formic is not defined, so we need to go import formic. Let's save it. What else we got? Data. So we need to go import the schema.
Oh,
I think if you go look at how we're doing it, I think we did a star or something like that.
star as schema.
Yeah, you just copy that line. Yeah, so we're grabbing all the exports from that file. Let's go see what else we got. What else is broken? Let's go look at. All right, we're breaking down the errors here.
There we go.
Making some progress as we go.
Data schemas. It's not directing to the right folder, maybe. Because gotta go into schemas, data schemas. That's the right one.
Let's go look at your
Oh, I was looking at the wrong one.
yeah,
Schema.
schema.
This
Is
was
it data schemas or data schemas? Data schema. Try that. Try that out for size.
all right? Some new
So
errors.
we need to bring in the form in the field, and I think that's part of formic. So if you go look at the imports, so you need field, form, and error message. You can just copy those.
Oh, just the.
Yeah, because you already have formic in there.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead and you can erase that and paste it over. Yep. Let's check it out. Feeling pretty good about this.
All right.
Oh, maybe not.
Whoa.
That's a lot of stuff. Let's do a
Reload.
reload. Yeah.
There
There we go. Sometimes that's all you need, just a reload. Okay, well, let's go do the password and the confirm password.
Let's keep at it.
We're almost there. I
Right.
think you can copy the row from 25. Yeah.
32.
Is it the next one?
Yep.
Is it 33? Yeah, copy that whole thing and give it a new row, and then just switch it to password. Yeah, let's go save that and see what it looks like. So if you type in something in password, we want it to be asterisks, right?
Oh.
We don't want to display a password, so we need to change it to asterisks.
Ooh, how do we do that?
Let's go over to there. And you see where it says the field, the type text, change it to type password. Save that and then let's go try it again.
Hey.
Oh, hey, easy peasy.
No big DZ.
And let's change that to confirm password. Confirm.
Oops.
That's WAD.
Cool. Let's save it and see what happens.
Cool.
Oh, look
Whoa.
at that. Passwords must match.
Oh,
So make sure you got more than 8 characters in there.
Oh, I don't even know what password I did. Guess what my password is.
Password.
password.
And then
Cool.
just type in some gibberish. Don't even put a valid email. Must be a valid email.
Oh, nice. At.
There you go. Okay, cool. So that's working. So what else do we need? How do they submit the form?
Yeah, that's gonna be next.
So you don't want to go look at the, where is the button? We have a button.
It's a button.
So you need to expand that function. Let's scroll down till we find the buttons. Keep on scrolling, keep on scrolling.
That's it.
That's it.
Boom.
That's it.
Oh.
Let's go look at your console.
Get out of here. So it just gives us, whoops, oh no. Sorry. So it's not logging it.
Well, let's go look at the at the code for the on submit. See what's going on in there. Maybe oh, it's not set status, it's fields.
Yields.
Yeah. Save that and let's try it again. Hey, there you go.
Damn.
All right. Cool. So we got all that. We got the validation. We got the whole thing. I think one more thing that we need, Jonathan, is we need a header
Up here.
that says you know, register.
Register.
I think it has to be, yeah, try it there. No, because it can't be there. You need it inside this return. You're gonna need it inside the form, inside the container.
Inside the row.
Yeah. So
Above the email.
after line 24, start a new row.
What am I doing?
Whoa, what's going on?
It's gonna be
Call medium 12. And then do a let's see, what would be a good one here? This would be probably like
each one.
H3. And then just put register. Cool. Save that. See what it looks like.
Hey.
Nice. Doesn't look too shabby, huh?
Pretty cool.
Cool. I think this is a good place to stop. I mean, we did quite a bit here. I think in wait a second. We need to publish this and we need to be able to see it on our website.
All right. Yeah.
So use make sure everything's saved. You got everything saved?
Yep,
cool.
Yep.
Let's use Git to push the changes.
Can I do it from here? Or no, I should do it from here, huh?
Try it from here, see if it lets you. Remember, we've been having trouble with this Git on Visual Studio, but give it a shot. So type in a message in there, say registration page, no API. And then drop down the arrow and do commit and push. Oh, let's go over to open up Edge. Oh, failed to push to remote.
Oh.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to do it from the Git command.
Right.
Yeah, CD space /C /repos /Azure. You can just, yeah, and then / yep, enter. And do a git status. Oh, your branch is up to date. Do a git push.
Ouch.
Pausch.
Oh.
Yeah, that should do it. Go ahead and press enter. Everything's up to date. Let's go open up the DevOps dev.azure.com in Edge. Significant. Go to pipelines. Oh, look at that. It's building. Go click on the little blue. On the little blue. There you go. And click on the little blue thing again. Just keep on following that little blue dot.
It's going.
Oh, you know what? We forgot that we need to remove the double build.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead and maximize this window. So we just gotta watch this build. It actually picked it up really quick too.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. So yeah, this is called a continuous integration. So it integrates your code. And then as soon as it does the integration, it does a continuous deployment. So it's called CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. All right, did it work? Scroll down. Yeah, cool. Let's go to releases and click on, is it going to deploy yet? Give it a second. Is it deploying? Oh, there it is. Deploying progress. Follow that circle.
Whoa.
See a little circle up on top, the circling. Oh, yeah, that one right there.
Wow.
So now it's deploying.
Oh.
All right, let's go visit the website.
What's the website?
So just open up a new you can just open up a new tab and start typing in Zignificant. I'm sure you have it in your history. I think it's Zignificant dot. Oh, you don't have it there? All right, so let's go to yeah, let's go open up a new tab and let's go to portal. Portal.azure. Yep.
Come on.
Third time's a charm.
All right, and then so you would click on the Zignificant app service, and then on the upper right, you see where it says URL
Right here.
right there. Just click on that.
Cool.
And so we should see the register menu,
In the
and we
corner
should
over
have it. Yep, there it is. Look at that.
Hey,
Whoa!
Pretty cool.
yay.
Nice.
I like it.
I like it too. It's pretty cool stuff. All right. So yeah, we created the registration placeholder. We added the route. We added the menu. We created the page. We published it. Watched the pipelines work. Everything's good. Oh man. What is in store for the next episode, Jonathan?
Oh yeah, we're gonna create the database and the tables so that way we can store all the names and passwords
Very nice.
and create the API for encrypting and storing the names and passwords.
Very nice. All right. Well, if you guys like this content and it helps you, please buy us a cup of coffee. Go
Yay.
to buymeacupofcoffee.com/the-road-to-code. Don't forget, there's 3 of us. So if you guys buy us a cup of coffee, buy us 3 cups. We would greatly appreciate it. Until next time,
On the road to code.
peace out.
Bye.